happy day. Myself from Wonder World Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Jabalpur. Today I am going to take science for primary classes, and today I am going to deal with simple machines. So if you like my channel, kindly subscribe for Wonder World Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar. So let's start simple machines. Now what is machine? A machine is something that can be used to help you to do work faster and more easily, isn't it? सिलाई का मतलब अकेले सिलाई machine नहीं होता. Any machine like car or cycles or the fans or anything we are using. A machine uses energy to make a force to do work. Complicated machines use electricity or fuel to make energy. Simple machines use just your muscular part. Like simple machine क्या हुई? जैसे कि हम अगर साइकिल चला रहे हैं वो सिंपल मशीन हो गई, जबकि अगर हम कार चला रहे हैं तो इट इज अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मशीन. सो machines can be, simple machines can be of 6 types. The first is lever, then inclined plane, then wheel and axle, pulley, screw and wedges. Some machines increase the force you apply, and at the same time some machines like tweezers decreases the force you apply. Some machines changes the direction of the force you apply. So let's see the first machine, and that is lever. Now lever is a broad or is a board or rod with 3 important points. Fulcrum, F, from where the lever is supported, you can see in the center. Then the load, the part which is which does the work, and effort, the E, effort, from where you apply the force. So fulcrum, then we have the load and then the effort. A lever helps to lift a moving or move something with less efforts. There are 3 classes of lever. In each class, the order of the 3 points changes. That is, the order of fulcrum, load and effort changes. Here you can see the triangle is fulcrum, the direction, the arrow which you are seeing is the load, and the box you are seeing is the effort. So class 1 lever, the fulcrum is in the middle. Example are brooms. Then class 2 lever, fulcrum is in the load is in the middle. Example is a nutcracker. Class 3 lever is the effort is in the middle. So एक में fulcrum बीच में होता है class 1 में, class 2 में load बीच में होता है और class 3 में effort बीच में होता है, और इनके एक एक मैंने आपको example बताए. Now next we come to another machine, and that is inclined plane. आपने हमेशा देखा होगा कि जब भी हम inclined plane होता है और slope होता है तो it's always easy to move on it. A steep slope makes it harder to push something up, but to get it down it's easy. A gradual slope makes it easier to push things up, isn't it? अगर slope एकदम ऐसी चढ़ाई जैसा रहता है तो आप कोई भी चीज ऊपर नहीं चढ़ा पाते, बट अगर वो gradual रहे तो आप उसको चढ़ा लेते हो. You can also move something down a slope. The steeper the slope, the faster the things move down. Then we come to the next, and that is wheel and axle. The wheel and axle makes moving heavy things much easier. ये ज़्यादातर trucks में आपने देखा होगा. The wheel was a very important invention. When the wheel is attached to an axle, it becomes a simple machine. Axle support करता है wheel को. Example is truck. Now next we come to pulley. Pulley सबने देखी होंगी. A pulley has a wheel with a groove in its rim. A rope or a belt moves through the groove, and a pulley is used to lift heavy things. Like जब हम पानी निकालते हैं well से. Next we come to a screw. Now what is screw? A screw is actually a curved slope which is wrapped around a cylinder. A screw is used to hold things together firmly. Next is the next we come is wedge. A wedge is a very simple machine. It is used for splitting or cutting. There you can see kulhari ko bhi it's an example of wedge. With this I would like to thank you. If you have any problem, put it in the comment box. Thanks. Bye.